Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. This is the Doge Squad, and here is the Web3 application. The Web3 application is Green Planet, a decentralized platform for eco-friendly incentives and rewards. Let's take a look at the table of contents we're going to cover in our presentation. First, let's take a look at our vision. What motivated us to create this application is the rapid increase in population and the associated global warming with it. It is important to support eco-friendly actions to protect our environment and make the world a more sustainable place to live in. The objective that we like to fulfill through our app is to motivate people to do environment-friendly activities like recycling, planting trees, using public transportation, and a lot more. Our vision is to create a Web3 application that motivates the users to do environment-friendly activities by letting them buy items on our website or our Web3 app at a cheaper price compared to the market price. And this is when they do environment activities. Now, let's take a detailed look into the working of our application.
So now I'll explain our working conditions of our app. So we first start with collecting proof that the user did some environmental friendly activity. Then we let the user choose that they did. We let the user choose that what they want to buy, and like not before purchasing. And after they choose, we inspect that if they really did some environmental friendly activity, and after inspection we approve the purchase. So we first created our green token NFT. So it's ERC 721, and we implemented our NFTs, and we also add the total supply function and mint functions to support our NFT. And we use this token to store our products. So we use Infura to store our images and metadata. We use Infura for storing our images and metadata, and we hard-coded our images and data for our products. So we use Green Planet for our main smart contract to do the most of the work, and we implemented many functions to allow users to buy and sell and inspect the activity that they did. Then we implemented several test functions too in our test folder. We used Hardhead to implement our data, and we implemented our deploy function too. And we deployed it to localhost blockchain provided by Hardhead. And we used provided accounts from Hardhead to test our application.
So having had a look at the detailed working of our application, let's also take a look at the challenges and the future plan we have for our application. There were several challenges we faced while the implementation of our application. First was difficulty in proof verification, as it needs to involve an external party to verify if the environmental activity was actually performed by the user. Secondly, there was difficulty in developing tokens, which we wanted to award to the users so that they can use these tokens instead of the crypto they use right now to buy the items on our application. Thirdly, we are unable to make the inspector automatic. As of now, we need to input it manually. Fourth, there is difficulty in uploading metadata from Infura to our app. And lastly, there was difficulty in connecting Ether's library. Now, let's take a look at the future plan we have for our app. The future plan is basically resolving all the challenges and issues we faced. So firstly, we would like to enable earn options on our app, which lets the user earn green tokens that they can use on our app. Secondly, we would like to tie up with external parties so that we can better proof verify the environmental activities performed by users. Thirdly, we would like to employ automatic inspector. And lastly, we would also like to enable the sell option that allows users to sell their environmentally friendly products on our app. Thank you all. This is Dose Code.
So now I will show how our app works, prototype of our app. So this is our app, and if they press connect, they can connect to the MetaMask account that they have. So for example, if they want to buy this recycled plastic backpack, they can press buy button, and this MetaMask window will come up to confirm the purchase, confirm the transaction. And if they confirm, then this goes to the inspector account, and we created our inspector account too. So if we go to inspector account, we can approve inspection and we can confirm the transaction, and the purchase is done.